personal Notepad 11.5s, and you can see that my calendar is the first thing you will check out here, so I will never miss an event or a meeting. So I guess that's the first step to productivity when your day starts. So here it is. And now, really, being creative manager, you realize that it comes hand in hand with multitasking and really juggling a lot of work at the same time in departments and all. So what kind of a product would help me juggle all of those tasks and help me with all the open tabs in my mind? So, with the Notepad 11.5, it's going to help us all so much. So, I'm going to get started with the hardware. So, Jay mentioned earlier, this has nano scale etching technology. So, I hope you all know what that means because I don't. So with that, it allows us to work for long periods of time, minus the visual fatigue. So it's minus visual fatigue, but I cannot say the same for actual fatigue. So don't expect to not get tired while working. So with that, also, it eliminates 99% glare. So it really allows me to focus on my work without getting annoyed by bright lights. Like right now, it's super bright light, but I can see my screen super clearly. And it has paper-like writing, so unlike other tablets, there is some sort of resistance when you write on the poly paper. And what I like so much about it is with my poly notes, I can use my pencil tool or my fountain pen tool or just a simple ball pen tool, ballpoint pen, something like that. But, being someone who's really into taking notes with a pen and paper, something I can release. I would usually use my pencil tool, for it's really paper-like feel on my notes. So this is what you just saw, 11.5s. And so how did I do this? Just with the tablet. I didn't use anything else, honestly, while doing this specific page. But there is a thing that we call SuperHub. So with SuperHub, I have it right here actually. So it's basically your clipboard for anything that you need in order to create some sort of scrapbook or a creative way to take notes on your logging notes. So that's how we need this. But another thing that I would like to demonstrate is I was able to create storyboards on a single page, and this is from scratch. I didn't use any templates whatsoever. So I want to show you guys how this is possible. I actually made this in about 5 minutes. So let's add 2 more slides. Actually, I have 2 more items here. I have PMU I-14 and a Venn diagram and all that. So here's the next page. Actually, let's erase that. You guys are supposed to see that. Human error. So the nanoscale technology eliminates 99% glare, but apparently not human error. So let's delete that. Alright. So how did I create this specific table? We have the AutoShape tool. Right now. Okay? Alright. So we create perfect shapes, not like that, but alright. So closing this up, we have table 1, and I can duplicate this by using the lasso tool, copying this specific shape, and then pasting it here. Alright. So you can move this around as well. So now we have 2 more slides here that we can add our concepts to. So there. And apart from that, actually, I also wanted to show you guys how we can utilize SuperHub. Like I mentioned earlier, we usually work on multiple tabs open in our brain. So it can do the same here as well. So I want to actually add the actual phones here. So you guys remember the phone phones? And I want to show you how we can add it here. So I have the Poly Move 12S website open here now. So I'm going to show you guys how we can grab these photos, add it to our documents in a super quick way. So I'm using the annotation tool. So I swiped up from the corner of my Notepad. I'm going to take a snippet and just draw a line like so. So now we can crop our selection to what we want. Alright, so I want to just grab it. Now I'm going to share this, add it to my SuperHub. and it's going to show up here. Now, we want to go back to our volumes, right here. And now we can crop this. We can custom crop actually. So if you want to give it like a more creative shape, like that, you can do this. Add it to, add it to one of our slides right here. So similarly, you can do for the rest of your slides. And essentially, that's what I really like about the Super Hub. I really don't need to use any other device or go back and forth across my laptop or across my phone. But with the Walking Notepad, actually, you can do it as well. So I just mentioned Super Hub, and I'm not sure if it has. Okay, so we have Super Hub present as well here. So I have different photos, as you can see. Different photos here, different photos on my phone. So let's say I found some sort of inspiration online, and I want to take note of that in Notes. So I find it here. Now I'll select this, one topic, and thanks to Super Hub that can detect my Huawei Mate 11.5, it's going to instantaneously add it to my Super Hub. And then that's what we can drag to this note. Then we can customize it once again by using custom crop. That's what I did similarly to my first presentation. Alright. So that's Super Hub, and if, you know, really you're like me who has multiple tabs open in their brain. The multi-screen collaboration on the Walking Notepad is super helpful for me. Like, let's say I want to talk to my colleagues, my workmates, while I'm working on something on Walking Notes or anything else. I can use multi-screen collaboration and connect to my Notepad. Okay, so let's say I don't want to touch my phone while I'm working, but I want to talk to my colleagues. So I'll try to open WhatsApp, guys. So one send me a message, okay? So, alright, let's say that, and I want to talk to Jess. Hi, Jess. So, there, I can do that, but at the same time, I can also work on my notes. So while I guess we're talking and doing my notes and all, yeah. So I'm just gonna close that for privacy. Okay. Alright. So apart from that, right, multi-window, you can have multiple windows open at once. So you can have your browser on, browser as well as your notes. So yeah, you have a lot of things going on. Yeah, that's what you can do here. They're all going to be present and all. So super customizable as well. So you can pick and choose which app you want to look at more, like so. So that's floating windows and multi-open tabs on the Walking Notepad. And again, I think Jay mentioned earlier that he wants us to see the tab note in action. So I took the liberty of recording just a small snippet of Jay's presentation earlier. So it's over here. He was talking about the 27-year paper map technology. So let me show you guys. This is the recording. Let me close this. If you guys can hear. Alright, this is the first recording. Let's play it. I'm not sure if you guys can see the real time writing. It's being recorded. So now I'm going to try to play it back. Play the audio back without actually touching it. visible on the screen, but we can touch the parts where, yeah, here. So when I touch level 7, it's going to play that. Because that's the moment where it was written. So this is how we can backtrack on the notes that we take during an audio recording session. Alright. So you can go forward, go backward. Let's see if we missed any parts of the audio recording that should happen. So that's the audio recording playback. And apart from that, we also have just so many other features that I would love to touch on, but given the time that we have, that's all I'll be doing for now. And another part of your package with the Welcome Pad 11.5S is there will be free WPS Office. So apart from your Neuralink keyboard, apart from your Neuralink M pencil that instantly connects to your main pad without any delays whatsoever. And actually, even your keyboard, the connectivity is super far. I can walk across the stage and I will still be able to type on my main pad, using the tablet here. So, apart from that, we have the WPS Office. So, this is also a presentation that I can do on my main pad as well as a PowerPoint presentation that I can edit on this as well. So, this is WPS Office. Alright. You can also view Excel sheets and, of course, PDF files, PowerPoint files, but not just there actually. Walking notes, going back. On walking notes, we also can view our PDF. So if you want to annotate on any PDF slides, you can definitely do so on walking notes. And it won't even interfere with the text. You can see I'm highlighting right now, goes underneath the text. So that's that's walking notes and WPS Office. And how does it help really? The fractions of the time you can save really adds to your productivity and efficiency. And also actually I want to touch on Huawei Cloud. So when you're logged into several devices at once, especially with Huawei Notes, it saves in real time. So whenever you